Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn about an important concept of programming, that is commits. Commits are a way to make your code more readable and maintainable. Commits are lines in your code that are ignored by the compiler. They are used to explain what your code does, making it easier for other programmers or even yourself to understand the logic of your program later. C++ provides two types of commits: single line commits and multi-line commits. Let's start with single line commits. Single line commits start with two forward slashes. You can see on the screen. These two forward slashes on the same line is treated as commits. Anything written after these two forward slashes on the same line is treated as commit. Let's check in the program. This is a simple program. I can explain each line of code using single line comments. Like in the first line, I can say this line, what I have did, declared a variable to store marks. This is the comment that is explaining that this line of code. You can write the comments above a line to explain, or you can write this in front of it to explain the purpose of this line of code. Both ways are correct. And the next line is to assign the value, assign the marks to marks variable. And next in the third line I am printing the marks. So I explain this line of code saying print your marks or display your marks. In this program, all the text after the double forward slash is commits, and this is ignored by the compiler. This is only for the purpose of understanding the code or making your code more readable. Like in this program, if you say you can understand what this line of code is doing, what this line of code is doing. So commits make the program more readable. These are the single line commits. There are other type of comments that is multi-line comments. Multi-line comments start with the forward slash star and end with the forward slash star. Anything between these symbols is treated as commit. This is used for large explanation. For example, if we want to explain the purpose of this program, write multi-line comments. Let's explain the purpose of this program. This program demonstrate the use of comments. It declares an integer variable and display the value stored in the marks variable. All the text between these two symbols forward slash star and the star forward slash is treated as commits. This type of comment is used for lengthy explanations such as explaining the purpose of program or explaining the purpose of a function. And this is everything you need to know to get started using comments in C++ programming. Remember, comments are a way of communicating with other programmers and yourself in future, so use them wisely. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also share with your programming fellows. If you have any question, ask below in the comment section. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.